Hello everyone, welcome back to Placement Buddies. Let me welcome you all to another episode of TNP Talks. Today we have among us a very good friend of mine, the funniest guy in our placement cell, Mr. Abhrajit Chaudhary. Hello Abhrajit, welcome to Placement Buddies.
Thank you, Saleh. I'm glad to be here, and I'll try not to be funny today so much. So
Thank
yeah.
God. Yeah, Abhrajit, हमारे viewers को अपने बारे में कुछ बताओ.
So hello all. My name is Abhrajit Chaudhary. My friends, including my dear friend Saleh, calls me Obro/Obro. So I was the training and placement coordinator of the batch 2021, and now the incoming systems engineer in TCS Innovation Labs. So yeah, that's me.
Right. So Abro, tell me about your journey from being a normal student to being an internship coordinator at first and then the training and placement coordinator for your department.
So as a student, I would say that I was very average, to be told. And personally, I was very intrigued, and out of general curiosity was like I came into this cell. Like during the IC elections and before that, in the 5th or 6th semester, there was so much buzz around the internship placements and other related stuffs. So I was curious and about these things, about how these things work. And in the 5th sem, there was a seminar which was done by our seniors in our department, and they explained and like they explained how these things work and how all the students got placed in very good companies, great companies. And since then, I was very intrigued about how these placement stuffs work, and thus I came into this cell. And after working 10 months as an IC, I realized how important the post of this training and placement coordinator is, because I've seen my seniors how they work not only for the betterment of this institute, but also how they connect with their students, with their batchmates on a personal level, and guide them and help them to land their job before they graduate. So yeah, and thus this placement session ended. Their placement session ended and ours started, and that's how I like came into this cell. Yeah, and that's how I was motivated by seeing our seniors and how they help their fellow batchmates.
Okay, so how is life different, like from being a normal student to now being a TNP? What has changed in the meantime?
Like on a personal ground, like I would like to say that the post itself is a personality development course. Like
Okay.
it teaches you so much on a personal level. Like it teaches you patience, it teaches you time management, it teaches you teamwork. So yeah, it has been a great journey since I've been an internship coordinator as well as a training and placement coordinator.
How difficult or how easy it is to be a training and placement coordinator of a department like ECE, where like a department जो हमेशा like लगभग हर IT कंपनी में एलिजिबल होता है CSE के साथ. So how difficult it was for you or how easier it was for you?
Like I'll first tell about the advantages, or that how easy it was. Like I'll not say easy, but yeah, convenience was that we were eligible. Like the EC students are eligible for both the EC core companies and also the IT companies. All the IT companies wants to hire CSE as well as EC. So it was convenient for us, as all the students who were like they were interested for the IT, they're interested to go into the IT industry. They were getting jobs very soon. Like as the CSE students were placed alongside them, our EC students also got placed, and that was a convenience. Also, it was on the hard part. It is like it is very hard to call the core EC core companies like the National Instruments, like the Texas Instruments. These companies are very fussy about their recruitment, and that's the hard part, it seems. Yeah,
Right.
it is when there is like it is a blessing in disguise actually. Like
Exactly.
there are so many companies to handle. It is hard for us to maintain, but it is a boon for the students as they get placed to the in the companies of their interest. Yeah, that's it. That was I was going to say.
Right. So
Yeah.
you said about maintenance, like it was hard for you to maintain. So I wanted to ask, like, how did you manage your time? You had to do your own preparation for your own placements, right? So how did you manage your time between
Yeah.
doing academic stuffs, preparing for your placements, and doing putting equal efforts in doing TNP stuffs as well? So how did you manage your time for doing all the things equally?
Yeah, actually, yeah, as I said, that means this post teaches you a lot. You get a means it is a very huge learning opportunity for as in a personal level, as you need to manage your time, and that's where it that's where I learned that how to manage my time. Like I used to like manage the companies in between September to December. There are a lot of companies, as you know, Saleh.
Yeah.
So it was hard to maintain all those tasks and including your own studies. So I used to work in the daytime for the companies and stuff, handling the companies, maintaining the databases, and managing the interviews of the students. And in the night, like I am a night owl actually. So in the night time, it was me time. Like from 12 to 3 at least, I used to work on myself and study. So yeah, 3 hours for me, and the rest I used to manage my other works and the TNP works.
Right. So how difficult for you was the time when you were facing one rejection after the other, and simultaneously you had to put equal efforts for your studies as well as in the TNP stuffs as well. So that particular phase, I wanted to know how difficult it was for you to manage. Let me tell you guys, like before Abhijit answers this question. Actually, जब अभ्रजीत का प्लेसमेंट हुआ था, before that he got rejected in one or two companies, and as a TNP you have to be efficient with your TNP works as well. But on a personal level, he was facing rejections in his interviews. He was not getting placed. He was not getting placed in the companies in which he was wanting to be initially. But that moment of time, Abhijit actually performed as efficient as any other coordinator in that placement cell. Along with this, he continued his studies and eventually got placed in TCS. So I wanted to ask Abhijit, how difficult it was for you to manage yourself mainly and handle the emotions, and to उस इमोशंस पे काबू करना कितना मतलब डिफिकल्ट हुआ था आपके लिए उस टाइम पे?
In this regards, I would like to say that when you get rejected from a company, it's not the end of the world. Like whatever happens, happens for the good. Like as Saleh said, I was rejected from a few of the companies. The first one that rejected me was Wipro, and I think I would have been in a loss if I got selected in that company.
Right.
So like it is a very good company. I'm not saying that, but for me personally, like now it seems for me on the personal level that I would have been in a loss. So yeah, so it's not the end of the world. Like you should try to motivate yourself. Like you need a job, right? And you need to maintain all the works. Means the sun does not stop for you when you are upset in a day, or it will go up, it will rise and set again, it will rise and set again, and means in a blink of a second, means, yeah, it will the days will pass by. So you need to motivate yourself, believe in yourself. Like our dear friend Saleh, he is like he was deserving enough to get placed in the first few months of the placement session itself, and he was a core aspirant, but he had to wait. He had to wait till December, I think, right, Saleh?
Right.
To get his core offer in L&T, and he was like he got through a rough phase then. So, but he handled himself. He believed in himself, and he landed his like for now his dream job.
Exactly. So
yeah, you need to motivate yourself and like pace yourself to go through this situation, to go through that rough phase.
Focus is the key, guys.
And you will face it. Let's face the truth. You will you can have all the skills, you can have all the communication skills, but it is the fate plays a important factor in this placement session, especially on campus
Right.
placement.
राइट कभी गिव अप करने का फील हुआ अभिजीत एनी टाइम ड्यूरिंग दिस सेशन
Uh, Actually, yes. I felt like giving up on, like, in the first half, like in the seventh sem. Every other day, I felt like giving up because there are very various reasons. But yeah, when the workload increased too much, I felt like giving up, and there was some other factors too on a personal level. So yeah, it happened.
what kept you going, what kept you motivated when you felt so?
The vision, like, as I said, I wanted this post. Nobody forced me to come into this and get involved and take this responsibility. So I knew I had a chip in my shoulder, and it was the burden I wanted to take on my shoulders. So I cannot take it and keep it on the ground and go. So yeah, I knew I had to go on, and I also knew that I had to land a job to support my family. So yeah, if I felt bad in the night, like the previous night, and I got up in the morning the next day, I had one thing in the mind, that I need to land a job and I need to carry out this duty till the last.
राइट सो इन दिस रिगार्ड
So yeah.
स्टूडेंट्स की सपोर्ट कैसा मोटिवेट करता था आपको? हाउ डिड योर फ्रेंड्स प्लेड अ रोल हियर?
Yes, actually, students helped me to motivate myself, because when I saw them getting placed, I knew there was my work also involved in their success. So yeah, on that means philosophically speaking, yeah. So that helped me keep motivated, and also on a personal level, again on a personal note, my friends like Shovik, then Shagnik, and Shaptoshi, Mrinmoy, and these few people helped me a lot on my for my personal preparation for the companies. I gave mock interviews to Shaptoshi on 3 separate nights. So yeah.
Guys, if you are not familiar with Shobik and Shaptarshi, please check the episodes of Let's Hear from the Experienced, which is available in our channel. Shaptarshi, a guy who is placed in TCS as well, and Shobik का interview बस कल ही
Yeah.
release हुआ, and Shobik spoke a lot about, he was bang on. He spoke a lot about the opportunities for ECE students. So Abhijit, I also wanted to ask you about what sort of about the opportunities in ECE, like what sort of opportunities or companies will be coming in the campus for ECE students, and how they can prepare.
Yeah, the EC students need to first what to say, prepare, they have to decide their stream, if they want to go into the core or they want to go into the IT stream. And if they choose core, there are abundance of IT companies that are visiting for EC, and for that they need to start with DSL Go, and they should be very clear about the concepts. And if they choose core, then they have to know or decide why. Because it is not easy to land a core job, right, Saleh? So they need to be sure that they want that core job, and also plan accordingly. And they need to have a plan also for, there is a possibility that you prepare and you don't get the job in the few companies you are targeting for.
Right.
So you need to brace yourself and prepare yourself in case you don't get job in those few companies. So yeah, that should be your plan. And the planning is one thing, and the execution is another thing. And in this placement scenario, you need to plan, also execute. The execution is main in this placement session. So yeah, so if it is for juniors, I would like to say that you need to start planning and executing those plans right now, because it is I know this is the holiday season. You will go for mastis, you will go for
Virtual
trips,
mastis.
but you need to, yeah. So So you need to be serious about this placements and plan and try to execute those plans from now on, because
Right.
if you don't practice to like this, execute those plans, you can't like execute those in when the placement session starts, because the companies will be lined up and there will be drives every day, so you can't really imagine that how hectic it is also for the normal students. It is, yeah, it is hectic for the TNPs, yes, but it will also be hectic for the students, because you will want to sit in all the companies that you are eligible for, and you will not get the time then. So yeah, plan and execute from now in these summer vacations, in this month of July and June, July and August. Yeah.
राइट सो अब्रजीत एज यू हैव मेंशनड कि ये मतलब प्लेसमेंट सेशन सिर्फ टीएनपीस के लिए नहीं बल्कि स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी हेक्टिक हो जाता है. सो हाउ इम्पॉर्टेंट इट इज़ फॉर अ स्टूडेंट टू कीप अपडेटेड विद हिज मेल और लाइक बी एक्टिव ऑन व्हाट्सएप थ्रू आउट और रिसीव द कॉल्स ऑफ हिज और हर टीएनपीस, लाइक बी एक्टिव विद मोबाइल एंड लैपटॉप. वो कैसे इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है एक स्टूडेंट के लिए वर्चुअली, स्पेशली इन दिस सिचुएशन ऑफ ग्लोबल पेंडेमिक वेयर एवरीथिंग इज वर्चुअल.
एक्चुअली व्हाट्सएप के लिए बताना नहीं पड़ेगा, सभी अभी एक्टिव रहते हैं व्हाट्सएप में. बट यस, रिगार्डिंग मेल्स, यू नीड टू बी एक्टिव इन द like for checking your mails regularly, to keep tab the also of the spams, like when the companies like some companies mail you the like the test details, and it gets trashed in the spam box or in the promotions box. So you need to learn about, you also have to learn about the mails, how the mails are received, and basically learn about all the mail section and how it is used, like you have learned about WhatsApp.
Right.
मतलब mail or WhatsApp will be equally important for you. You might miss a great job opportunity if you don't check your mails.
Right. ऐसे
So
कोई
yeah,
एक्सपीरियंस,
it will be important for you.
ऐसे कोई एक्सपीरियंस आपके साथ हुआ हो, लाइक यू ट्राई टू रीच एनी
Yeah,
गाय
बहुत स्टूडेंट्स थे ऐसे, लाइक मैंने मीन्स दो तो LTI में ही थे कि उनका मेल से मिस हो गया था.
अच्छा.
तो बाद में फिर उनका टेस्ट में बाद में एंट्री मिली. तो या देयर वाज अ लॉस, दैट इज अ वेरी बिग लॉस, एंड लाइक यू विल हैव नो वन टू ब्लेम फॉर इट.
एग्जैक्टली.
लाइक यू विल इट, आप पूरा फॉल्ट आपके होगा, तो किसी को ब्लेम करने के लिए नहीं मिलेगा. तो प्लीज कीप चेकिंग ऑन मेल्स फ्रॉम नाउ ओनली. इट्स ऑल अबाउट प्रैक्टिस. The more you practice checking your mails, the more you'll be like, it is like the studies only.
Right.
The more you study, the more you become efficient in that. The same.
How difficult it is for you guys to manage those situations? Like कभी किसी स्टूडेंट ने मेल मिस कर दिया या फिर कोई अपडेट मिस कर दिया, उस बच्चे का इंटरव्यू मिस हो गया या फिर टेस्ट मिस हो गया, then how difficult it is for you guys to tackle that particular thing? Yeah.
Actually, the difficulty depends on two factors. Like, what is the situation of the students? Is it carelessness or out of necessity?
Right.
Or and of the HR, like the mood of the HR. If the HR is angry, it is very difficult to manage
Exactly.
for them to reschedule the interviews and to get them entry in the tests, online tests. And if the HR is very chilled and in a very good mood, it becomes easy. So it all depends. It is not in our hands, as you can like analyze from it. So yeah.
Right. So Abhijit, your junior coordinators or actually the juniors who are aspiring to be TNP coordinators for the next batch or for the maybe next to next batch, what will be your tips for those people?
For the junior coordinators, my tip will be to manage your time very well, to improve your ability to manage your time very well. So coming back to Saleh's story, like he is like planned and somewhat executed his plans very well, but still got stuck at some points. But he did handle himself, but he got stuck in spite of his very sorted out plans and executions. So yeah, you need to be very efficient with your time. You need to be very patient. You need to work very hard to like manage the TNP works and your own studies.
Right.
And like yes, you'll know what companies which you'll be visiting, but still there is a possibility that you will be missing out. Yeah.
Right.
So yeah, that's one point, and the second point is to be humble with all your teammates. Like they will help you coordinate and like divide your work. Like you'll think that yeah, I can do all the stuff myself, but you can't. Like you can't. So be humble to with all your teammates. They will help you as well as coordinate with you all with your team viewers, and be be interactive and humble with the students who are not TNPs. Like they will help you on a personal level.
Right.
With your studies. Like I said on my case that my friends helped me a lot with my preparation. So yeah, these are my 2 points to the junior coordinators.
Any particular skill or any particular technology which they need to be familiar with before entering into the placement cell?
Yeah, for the junior coordinators is very important that they learn and be efficient with the Excel, Microsoft Excel, then writing emails.
Right.
Like email writing is very important part of our job. So be efficient with that. Also improve your vocabulary. If like you are good, like I have interacted with many of the especially coordinators now, but you need to improve on what you have. Like
Right.
if you are on this level, you have to increase your vocabulary to this level. So it's like it will be helpful for you in this job also and in future also. So yeah, and also the Google Sheets and maintaining the Google Forms, making Google Forms and maintaining the Google Sheets. Yeah,
Right.
these are the skills the coordinators will need.
Right. And communication is also the key here. The way you interact with HR.
Communication is yeah.
Right. So, Abhijit, since you have mentioned about your teammates in the placement cell, so any particular example or any particular contribution of any of your teammates in your life in this placement session particularly?
Like the constant motivation that I have got for working and to keep myself motivated is you, Saleh. Not gonna lie, but also on the during my first that is company, that is Nokia. Like in the virtual lab, we know the many companies get clashed because of the only on the mail communication, and we basically we don't have everything under our control. So it happened that the Capgemini and Nokia's drive got clashed, and Rishi and I with coordination with Rishi handled that situation so that the dates don't clash. And for that we talked with each other, we had a conversation of 3 hours before that in the previous night of the drive. So yeah. Oh, as I said, the coordinators your teammates will help you a lot in handling and maintaining the companies.
Okay, guys, I hope you remember Rishiru. Rishiru is a very humble and sweet guy. He came for the first episode of TNP Talks, so check it out. And so Abhijit, before wrapping it up, final tips for our juniors, like the second year or the third year students who are watching this video right now. Any particular tips for them?
I would like to give them a pep talk. You should be patient. You should believe in yourself. You should keep your basic concepts clear, and you need to be clear about what you want. Like if you want a core job or IT job, you should be very clear about that before the placement session, and and map your risk appetite. Like as I said, there is a possibility you might not get placed in the few companies that you have targeted. You need to have a plan, and you need to take risk that you can handle, to map your risk appetite overall.
Okay, So finally, before ending this video, your 4 years at NIT Agartala in short.
Sorry, it was like, to keep it short, it will be a hell of a. I will say it was a hell of a journey. From like first year to final year, the Abhijit of first year is completely different from this version of Abhijit
I can
after
see that.
these
I can see
4
that.
years. Yeah, so yeah, the journey has become more beautiful than the destination.
Very nice, very nice. Okay, Abhijit, it was my pleasure having you on this channel. So
It was my pleasure, Salih.
thanks a lot.
My
Thanks a lot.
pleasure.
We will wrap it up here then. Thanks a lot again. Bye.